Hello and welcome to Oops. Happy New Year to everyone.
Yeah.
Today we're at
we're in windy Yapton.
Yeah, but we're at Drove Lane to come and have a quick look around.
Yeah.
We was hoping to put the drone up, but that we could be grounded.
Yeah, it's a bit breezy.
And so basically
we'll do what we can.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have a walk down here. Nice to see they've left a couple of trees. We was told they'd all been chopped down, but obviously not. Whether it's a matter of time they chop these trees down, we shall see. But we're just having a little walk down here. There used to be like hedges and small trees. So I don't know why they've ripped them up, because wildlife have lost a home again now, which seems very common with developers.
Yeah, don't like wildlife, do they?
No, they hate wildlife and anything that moves and breathes, don't they?
No money, wildlife.
God, if you're a slow worm, you're gone, mate.
Oh, well, yeah, okay.
Right, this is the footpath on the old canal bed. Something really needs doing with it, to be honest, because I haven't walked it for a while, but somebody was saying the other day it's like very, very difficult to walk, and somebody actually slipped. So I don't know what can be done about that. So on to our next thing. Right, now I especially wanted to show you this. This is the ditch to the one side of Drove Lane, and it's filled with poo bags, which is not very good. Why do owners do that, Mol?
I don't know. It's horrible, isn't it? You're walking along, you find all colours.
Yeah.
But a lot of them, if you've got the effort to put it in a bag, just put it in your bag and take it home.
And the terrier's out with us this morning.
Yeah. Taking me for a walk, he is.
Is he?
He certainly is.
Right. Here's a point. We was talking to the farmer the other day, and the poor bloke, not only did he have his land taken off him to build Drove Lane, there's also people walking across his fields with the excuse they think it's grass. Now, if you can't tell crops from grass, you need educating.
Yeah, so please just respect it a little bit.
Absolutely.
And, you know, he's got a hard enough job at the moment as
Yeah.
it is. So.
I mean, the poor bloke's lost God knows how many acres. All of a sudden, one day he was told, oh, don't cultivate your best wheat crop this year, because I've sold the land. Correct?
Yeah.
Dreadful. Again, there's Mol's back.
Yes, I'm back.
Yeah, we have had a lot of rain, but these ditches are full to overflowing. I mean, to be fair, they have done that for years, but they're not helped with the fact that good old Barratt have banked up where they're building the houses. How high would you say that is?
What, that bank?
Yeah.
Probably 10 foot.
About 10 foot?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I'm about 5.
Yeah. So, this is how they get over, or allegedly get over, the flooding problem. They build them high, and then the poor buggers like us on the lower ground get to suffer because they put little ditches and little ponds that are slow release ponds, and they also drain into the ditches. So you imagine the amount of water coming off all that lot. It's not good, and it's not really a solution. They also did it with the Amazon warehouse near Bognor, banked it up, and I believe they didn't even finish submitting the plans for the drainage system. So somebody in ADC ought to be onto them. So that's that. Believe it or not, that used to be a beautiful wheat field.
It's going down a drain.
Oh, since the last time we came, they fitted a drain.
Hallelujah.
And yeah, it seems to be working. So can't complain about that, can we?
No.
We could. I'll complain. I'll complain there's too much water going down it.
It's raining too much.
And this pipe is what the developers have used to pump the site out because of all the water that's been flooding everywhere. So now there it runs. Be interesting to see where that leads to. That there is an outlet off the field. So they've been pumping water here, and I'll show you in a minute where it's coming from. Right, this is what we was telling you about.
Yeah. If I was a parent, I would be very worried about these.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, all right, at the minute there's not many houses built up this end.
There's enough.
And yeah, and I presume that they will be sort of fencing it off some way or another.
Yeah.
But if you've got young children, if they fell into that,
yeah,
they wouldn't get out.
I mean, okay, it's good for wildlife.
Yeah.
Definitely good for wildlife. You know, hope.
It's too deep though.
Well, you can get ducks and things like that, find a new home on it. But they're kind of like, I believe, slow release ponds.
Yeah.
You know, where they fill and then, see the pipe over there?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that pipe over there feeds this one, and then once this one's full, it ditches it out into the side of Drove Lane.
Yeah, but if somebody did fall, even an adult, that is all going to be silty stuff on the bottom.
Yeah.
How the heck are you going to get out of there?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, health and safety maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Who knows? I mean, you cannot believe this used to be a wheat field.
No.
We'll show you some pictures in a minute how it used to be. I mean, in this video we're not having a go at people that have moved in here. A lot of them understand, but I don't think we get the feeling they haven't been really told about, you know, the lack of infrastructure here, and they're going to have views overlooking the countryside. Well, so did me and my wife, and they've gone. So I just hope it don't happen to these people. It's really good to see they've incorporated a fallout shelter, which is a nice touch. Now that is the actual level the drains are set at.
I mean, at the minute.
So it means 2 foot more land got to come up, or brickwork, whatever, road. And I was under the impression as well that all new builds should have permeable roads to let the water through into the land. But who knows? Oh, what's that? Hang on, is that one of them? Oh no, I thought it was one of them plastic chimneys.
You can't wait to see one of them, can you?
No, it's obviously a plastic skylight or something. Just a quick one, just wondering if they've been having shingle off Clymping Beach. Eh?
Yeah, it could be.
Obviously some form of soak away, don't you think?
Yeah.
Not sure if you'll see this, but how many deer are there?
3, I think.
3?
Yeah.
Try and zoom in just a little bit more. Yeah, plus I've got the shakes. Yep, 3 deer. There they go. Excellent. Noel's just found this. You can't miss it really, but it's one giant pond liner, which I presume is going to be another drainage. Do you think?
Another soak away thing?
Yeah, another soak away.
Yeah. Well, it won't be soak away, will it, if it's got a liner in it? But yeah, got to be drainage into maybe yet another pond.
Yeah, probably. This is all. I know there's sand in there. Come on, silly terrier.
He said it's a takeaway beach. Come on, this way.
Come on.
Come on.
So, we've had... Oh, God.
Freezing.
We absolutely froze.
Yeah.
I can't breathe, as you can probably tell. My Parkinson's is making me shake.
The cold is making you shake. Not a lot going really, is there?
No, but my legs are like jelly because of Parkinson's. But what do you think of what we just had a very, very slow meander round?
Well, it seems to have slowed down a little bit. I don't know. I don't quite see that there's any movement, or not a lot of movement. Somebody did say that they'd finished that phase, I suppose.
Yeah.
They've got to sell them first, haven't they?
Yeah.
I think they've been a bit slower than what they were hoping for.
I mean, I was reading a case in Cambridge the other week. 87 Barratt houses, stroke David Wilson homes, had to be demolished.
Oh, God.
Because they were subsiding and all the brickwork was cracking.
Oh, God.
So, and
That's
I've not made
good.
that up. I'll probably put a link below in the description so you can read that. It's quite interesting reading. But
Can
yeah,
we go home and have a hot drink now, please?
yeah, we can. As you can
this
probably
way.
see from the long shadows, it's a cold day. We must be mad.
God, bloody hell.
I mean, I'm 67. Next month.
Yeah, don't say how old Moll is.
Moll will be 1 year older than me. Oh, we're all right for our age.
You speak for yourself.
Oh, Moll can't do the splits like she used to be able to. But
In my dreams.
apart from that, being old age pensioners, he's not too bad. You see the farm in the distance. My wish is none of this gets touched. I think Langreed has sold enough. So as we walk back to the car,
Where's that footpath gone?
at least
Look,
there's 2 trees. Hang on, Moll's calling me.
where's the public footpath gone?
Should be down there. Yeah, it is.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good. I'm glad they've left those 2 trees, 3 trees, and I hope here they plant wildflowers. And Mol's just found a new gate. Excellent. Right, that's it, Mol.
Oh,
come here.
Let's go home.
Stop there.
Huh? Oh, God. Don't fall over.
Right, that was our visit to Drove Lane. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Off for a nice hot drink now.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.